Good morning, everybody. Sun is starting to come up on a cloudy, kind of grayish day. Of course, we got a hurricane blowing into the panhandle, supposed to hit land tomorrow. But I don't think we're going to get too much effect by it as long as it goes north. Not where I'm at anyway. So we're going to go out and see if we can't find some junk this morning and fill this truck up. Let's get started. All right, got our first stop. Bunch of golf clubs. And no, I'm not taking the bags and all. Actually, I want the ones with the metal handles. Come on now. Spalding, all fiberglass. Oh, our putter's got a metal handle. And that's it for me. Moving on. Oh, a couple little cords over here. Coffee pots. Little cords. Little cords are better than no cords. Keep lugging. Oh, I spotted something, I think. Roku TV. I just want the cord. Just want the cord. Actually, when I seen the box laying there and something in the side of it, I thought it was a radiator. But it's all right. I'll take a cord. Not interested in the television. All right, moving on. Oh, I got me a scrap nugget. Onward. Oh, I see a couple things up here. And another grocery cart. Well, let me go throw this in there. Knocking stuff around. Somebody mentioned about taking those grocery carts back to the store for a reward. Not in my experience anyway. All right, I know these things fold up. Theoretically. Ha 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 ha. Come on, really? It's in there. All right, moving on. Oh, I spot something old and rusty. more old and rusty. And we're gonna keep looking. Not panning out too great. All right, well, I think it's metal. It's not. It's not. Folded by wood. All right, onward. Oh, here's me a good scrap nugget anyway. Little something more for the truck. We're gonna keep looking to pile some more in. Oh, what do we got? An old umbrella. Ow. My finger's pinched in it. All right, moving down the road. Oh, what we got? Table stand, plant stand, scrap metal. Keep looking. Oh, I see a little something. A couple little somethings anyway. Well, I can't scrap the American flag now. Man, there's a mess of curtain rods. Oh, yeah, let me come back for that. The cord's jammed under something. I don't want to knock that big mirror over. Come on now. Clip this cord real quick. Alright. I just can't scrap the flag. I don't want to rip it off the pole. Call me superstitious. Onward. Alright, I just rolled up on a wash machine. That's what I want to see. That adds some weight to the truck. Be able to get it shoved in there. Oh Lord. Oh, it's full of water. I gotta let some of that water out. This thing's way too heavy. Well, I guess that's it. Nothing to grab a hold of there. Get in there. Oh, I'm wearing it. That was cold. Come on, a little more. All right, it's in there. All right, moving on. All right, everybody, we're back at the house. So we didn't do too terribly bad today. I mean, could have been a lot worse. If you guys seen my last video, which that stuff is basically laying right here. There wasn't a whole lot picked up last night. So I'm going to take and pull some ballast off these lights. And I got to get the wood-handled broom or mop or whatever is in there out. And get this stuff in the back of the truck. Got to pull a couple things out here. This umbrella is aluminum. Goes over there with a massive aluminum mess that I have to try to get to today. So let me get this stuff kind of sorted out and put together, and then I'm gonna make a load to the scrapyard and see what the total payout for today and last night is. All right, let me get started. All right, folks, that's it. I got it loaded up. That's everything. All the tin shred, all those broom and mop handles I picked up, minus the wooden one. Other doodads thrown in there. It's metal gating. No, they wouldn't make good sides. They're too flimsy. Man, they're just too heavy. I'd rather put wooden sides on it actually versus steel. If I was going to do sides. I don't actually think I will though, because, you know, if I put sides on it and I put them up to about the cab height, you know, I can't flip nothing over to the side of it too easy, you know. So let's go to the scrapyard. Let's find out what it weighs, what it pays, to quote somebody else. Let's get going. All right, everybody, let's go unload some junk. It's quiet here this morning. Jammed in there. I say it's quiet and he starts moving metal. Oh, and the golf clubs. Up. All right, let's go get a weight ticket. Crash, boom, bang. All right, we're back here at the homestead. Done with the scrapping this morning. Let's have a look at the scrap ticket. Focus. You know, this autofocus is great as long as it works. So yeah, 460 pounds. $23 even. Not bad. I'll take it. I'll call it a thumbs up. Pays for fuel. Gas in the tank for the rest of the week, really. What did we find today? I picked up an aluminum umbrella. So that wasn't bad. I think I'm going to go back here. And I wanted to test that electric pressure washer I found. And see if that's any good. So let me go back here and drag this thing out and get it hooked up. And we'll find out if it's any good. Backwards, upside down? Yeah. Alright, well, the pressure washer ain't no good. It's got a little leak in it, as you see. Yeah, the pump is spewing water. It's alright, we'll whack the cord, it'll go into the scrap. I'll save the wand and the hose, because we never know when we'll come across another one. But now I know, knowing's half the battle. Go Joe. So I will see you guys next time.